If you believe in yourself, if you have a dream, let me see your hands up. Like that. Right. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do it in my language. So I want you guys to hear me in English. So I'm gonna do some freestyle for you guys. I'm gonna do it without beat, so just, you know, okay. I always get my pen tight, try to fill my papers. I keep doing my thing, I don't get time for haters. I get flow in my mind like a dictionary. If you forget my name, just call me Mr. Legendary. You're rapping like crazy, you don't make sense. Maybe you need some money, come and give you some sense.